The leaked anti-mnangagwa dossier read by Vice President Kosano Chiwenga before the ZVAITWA Politburo recently has sent shockwaves through the ruling party's top ranks, exposing deep divisions over corruption, power, and President Emmerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his rule to 2030. Sanapenda mashoko aronyas kunze aiwa dossier ra Chiwenga panguva ino rasenda mashockwaves. Panguva ino ZVAITWA wanguva kuti batai vakomana vakuzvityira kuti zvingaenda nepasipo. Subscribe or like on the bell. A 20-page document now circulating among senior ZVAITWA members accuses Mnangagwa's closest business ally of state capture, massive looting, and orchestrating a treasonous agenda to subvert the constitution and secure the president's stay in power beyond his second term. In the dossier, Chiwenga draws chilling parallels between the current political climate and the final days of the late Robert Mugabe, warning that history is repeating itself in the most shameful way. Comrade President, we undertook Operation Restore Legacy with a sacred mandate to reclaim our nation from the jaws of corruption and restore the dignity, prosperity, and sovereignty of Zimbabwe. Chiwenga wrote, "Today history is repeating itself. Why we find ourselves in the situation is both shocking and shameful." The Vice President's statement accuses tycoons and gold dealers of looting over 3.2 billion through a web of fraudulent deals. Chiwenga said the same clique was now using their stolen wealth to fund Mnangagwa's 2030 campaign, bribe party structures, and create a parallel power system within both government and the party. The so-called 2030 agenda is being funded and driven by known criminals who have looted our coffers with impunity, Chiwenga declared. "We cannot fold our hands, or these criminals capture and destroy our party." In an unusually direct challenge to Mnangagwa, Chiwenga accused the president of allowing his private office to become the hub of corrupt decision-making and of tolerating a network of businessmen who have hijacked key state institutions. Though mashoko anyasikuonekana kuti Chiwenga is roaring mu ZANU-PF panguva ino muri Zimbabwe, mboni dzemafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pe-these attacks kuenda kune mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino achionekwa kunzi aiwa his office panguva ino iri kumisuswa nezvigananda muchirowa ma-corrupt decisions. Ina comment section yedu mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.